Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of the financial world. And today we have a filing from Apollo Core Replacement LP that seems to be about some unregistered sales and a net asset value update. Let's see what this means for the company and its investors. Before we dive in, if you are enjoying these deep dives into financial filings, make sure that you are subscribed and have notifications turned on. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these filings further, so come join us. Alright, let's get right into it. Apollo Core Replacement LP filed this report on the 1st of April 2026, but the earliest event reported is also the 1st of April 2026. This is a current report and it usually signifies a pretty important event happened. One of the key things they reported is about unregistered sales of equity securities. Essentially, this means they sold a piece of the company without going through the whole formal registration process that typically involves a lot of paperwork and public disclosures. They sold limited partnership interests for about $1 million in cash. This is important because it tells us they are raising capital, but doing it through a private offering. This usually means they are selling to investors who are considered sophisticated or wealthy enough to understand the risks involved without the same level of public protection. They are saying this is exempt from registration under Section C of the Securities Act, which is pretty standard for these kinds of private deals. They are essentially saying we sold some shares to specific people, and we don't need to tell everyone about it because these people are in the know. Then we have another significant piece of information about the net asset value. The investment manager of Apollo Core determined that as of the 28th of February 26, the net asset value was a whopping $1,348.4 million. Now, net asset value, or NAV, is basically the total value of all the assets a fund holds minus its liabilities. Think of it as the company's true worth if you were to sell everything and pay off all its debts. A NAV of over $1.3 billion is a substantial figure and indicates a large and valuable investment operation. This is a pretty critical number for investors because it gives them a benchmark to understand how much their stake in the fund is worth. They have attached Exhibit 99.1, which contains more details on this net asset value calculation. We don't have the full exhibit here, but it's common for these reports to have these attachments for deeper dives into the numbers. So, what does this all mean? Apollo Core Replacement LP is a limited partnership, which implies it is likely an investment vehicle. The unregistered sale of equity securities shows they are actively raising money, perhaps to fund new investments or expand their existing portfolio. Getting $5 million in cash is a good injection of capital, and doing it privately suggests they are targeting specific investors. The large net asset value indicates a successful operation to date with significant assets under management. Looking at the overall picture, Apollo Core seems to be in a growth phase, actively managing its assets and bringing in new capital. The unregistered sale isn't necessarily a red flag. It is a common way for private funds to raise money. The substantial NAV is a positive sign of their investment performance. Now, for some analysis. The company is operating as a limited partnership and its general partner is Apollo Core Replacement Advisors LP, which itself has another general partner, Apollo Core Replacement Advisors GP LLC. This signifies a multi-layered structure common in private equity and investment funds. Michael Martinez, the Chief Financial Officer, signed off on this report on the 7th of April 2026, which is a few days after the report date. This is a standard procedure. We don't have comparative financial data directly in this filing to assess growth trends or recent performance declines year over year. However, the standalone numbers are strong $5 million in new capital and over $13 billion in net asset value. The main risk for investors in such private placements is always liquidity, which is the ease with which you can sell your investment and transparency. With unregistered sales, the information available to the public is naturally much more limited compared to publicly traded companies. In conclusion, Apollo Core Replacement LP is demonstrating active capital raising and significant asset management capabilities. The $5 million private placement and the $1,348.4 million net asset value paint a picture of a well-capitalized and established investment partnership. The company is making strategic moves to grow its capital base while maintaining its private operational structure. Alright, that is our breakdown of Apollo Core Replacement LP's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.